Well, legal changes in Washington have allowed many to clear parts of their criminal records, offering a fresh start.
However, proposed state budget cuts threaten measures to help those navigating this process. Hunter Bertram shows us how these cuts will make it more difficult to get free help navigating the legal system.
For a few years now, people in our community have been able to go to the Way to Justice, fill out this intake form, and get legal help when they've needed it the most.
If we're unable to deliver these essential services, the impact on communities that are most vulnerable, we're really worried about what that will look like.
Camarina Zazora, a co-founder of the Way to Justice, speaking with me today about cuts in the state's proposed budget, awaiting Governor Bob Ferguson's signature.
At no time were we ever advised that the Blake funding was on the chopping block.
Blake funding supports legal aid services to help expunge simple drug possession convictions, following a 2021 Washington Supreme Court ruling that deemed the law unconstitutional, allowing past convictions since 1971 to be cleared.
And that we're maybe halfway done with the work, so it was never anticipated going into the session that it would be taken out of the budget entirely.
This funding supports lawyers like Zazora and Josiah Laura in providing free assistance to those navigating the complex expungement process.
Most of my clients wouldn't even know where to start. It's traumatic going back into the courthouse that has, wrongly convicted you of this conviction, to go back into that traumatic space.
And those spaces, Laura and Zazora say, all follow different procedures.
I mean, the last thing I want to do as someone who is found guilty by an unconstitutional law is to try and have to navigate a court system and get frustrated by the fact that they don't know what to do. That's not right. It's not fair to them. They shouldn't be penalized twice under the Blake decision. And
for now, the Way to Justice can continue providing civil legal aid, but once their funding runs out, they will need to find other sources. In Spokane, Hunter Bertram, 4 News Now.